Hi everyone, welcome back to another mock build. In this video, I will be building a multicolored sand castle. For this one, I will be making it into a minimum of 6 colors. I hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell to see what I post on my YouTube channel, and share with your friends and family about Zachary's Lego Club. Bye everyone, I'll see you in the next video.